Means Woodshop merch is now available. Check the link down in the description.
Pardon? We're eating, Gary.
Hashtag Pizza Hut. You want to do an unboxing?
It looks like whether I want to or not, it's what we're doing.
Welcome back to another Wednesday follow-up. Today we don't have a project to follow up on, bud. It was just our Q&A.
That's not my fault. I didn't do that.
Let me wipe off my greasy fingies.
Nobody cares. Oh, I have to get another beer real quick though.
Damn it, Adam.
You'll just edit it out.
Well. Well, Adam just used the Papa Top. Hashtag do you remember?
Crop a cop.
Dude, the Q&A went over pretty good. In the last follow-up, I mentioned maybe not giving any written responses to comments. Just build up some suspense.
Just hot.
Yeah.
Just hot it.
Most everybody seemed okay with that. So on the Q&A, one of the first people I heard from was Harry Gary.
Harry Gary.
Gary watches our videos at work, dude, and he said not to tell his boss.
I don't know who your boss is, so I couldn't tell him if I wanted to, Gary. Although I do want to.
Nobody tell Gary's boss.
Don't do it. Even if you could.
The question too was, what's everybody's favorite pickle?
I've actually discovered half sour pickles.
Ugh,
which are essentially like cucumbers that are half pickled.
Okay. Gary just likes a good dill on a grilled burger.
Everybody loves a good dill.
Been a long time since Gary stepped on a nail.
What is that about? I don't know. Like, everybody's talking about nails. I don't know what's going on.
You saw that? People were talking about nails?
Yeah, dude, why is everybody talking about nails? Is that a secret question?
Whoa! Adam doesn't read the descriptions. Luke Silverfish said he has to go with a sweet heat pickle. Luke, did you make that up?
Luke, that sounds inappropriate.
Dude, working man.
Working man.
Gave us a pretty decent
Pretty
comment.
lengthy comment. Kind of uncharacteristic, but still appreciated. He was like, he got on YouTube, he was like, what do I do? Well, I'm a fucking working man.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm going to do. Good on you. We like that you take time out of your work to watch our videos.
Here's to working man.
Here's to working man.
You grabbed the wrong one.
There's still some in here.
I don't know.
Yeah. Cheers again.
Working man. Dude, Kevin hates pickles.
Why do you not like pickles, Kevin?
Come on, Kevin.
So your favorite kind of pickle is no pickle?
Not even on a burger?
Not even a fresh dill on a grilled burger?
Man, you and Kevin have the same size lugs.
Kevin has plugs?
Yeah, dude.
What?
Well, I'm friends with Kevin on Facebook, so.
That's even closer to in real life. Oh, I see. He's in caps. He says, I hate pickles.
Yeah, dude. Kevin's passionate about
He's
that.
passionate about his hatred for pickles.
Yeah, Mary doesn't like pickles either. Mary tries to like pickles.
Mary,
Mm-hmm.
how do you try to like pickles?
She just keeps trying them. Maybe you'll like it this time.
Maybe it'll be different. I brought a different pickle.
I need more marinara. Entertain Kevin while I'm gone. And Mary had said congrats on that camera being free. Mary, we're using the old camera right now because the other one doesn't seem to be working.
Yeah, it might be time for an upgrade soon.
Right from the get-go I was worried that would happen. There was no Roy.
No, Roy?
Mm-mm. Where are you, Roy?
Roy, come back.
Gary's down with waiting on replies instead of doing written responses. He's like, whatever. I don't care.
It doesn't matter. Talk to us in the videos, not on the internet.
Now that I've finished this pizza and we've read the comments, let's unbox this box that is already unboxed.
Surprise unboxing.
I was gonna wait to do it on video, but I couldn't help it.
You get a package, it's like a gift. I have a birthday, you get a package in the mail. I'm not salty about it at all.
So this is a box from
Kevin.
Kevin. He gave me a very endearing note. a nice, a pleasant, sincere thank you for us in our videos that we put out every week. Kevin, we appreciate that.
Thank you, Kevin.
And that's more than we could ask for out of any viewer.
It's more than we could ask for out of like any regular human being, honestly.
Yeah. So I guess since the granddaddy of the package is on top, we'll look at that first.
Give him a close-up.
Tobacco pipe. Yeah, let me get up and show you. Tobacco pipe made by Kevin. And it feels like glass. He said it's a briarwood with an acrylic mouthpiece. And the finish on it is amazing. And it feels so smooth. And it's such a pretty piece. Kevin, I want to know how you got the bottom of that pipe round. Like, how do you shape it? Like, do you rough it out on like a bandsaw and then finish it up with sanding, or what? Yeah, that's like something that needs to be displayed.
It is.
Kevin, I don't even know if you need to watch this channel, because I don't think there's anything I could show you that could top that.
People watch this channel because we are entertaining.
Because we're funny.
Because we're funny. We're ugly. We're not talented. But we're funny. Appalachian.
Old Shenandoah Appalachian berry. Dude, I made you smell it, right?
You did. You made me smell it. I will smell it again.
Smoking tobacco.
Alright, continue unpacking. I'm going to pack this pipe. We're going to smoke it right here on camera.
Little pipe tools.
Yeah.
We got some pipe cleaners.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Kevin, thank you.
See, Kevin?
It's a full care kit.
It is. I mean, Kevin went all out.
Kevin was super thoughtful.
Kevin was very thoughtful. And because of like the Harry Potter one, they sent me a little Lego Voldemort with the snake.
So we're going to have to light it with a lighter. You're not supposed to do that. Sorry, Kevin.
Yeah, I don't have any matches. I think the Lego Voldemort should go in the shop.
It should. It's going to be our shop companion. I feel like he's going to be up to some mischief, maybe, potentially. Don't know why. Got a feeling.
I think that was borderline a song.
There you go.
Yeah, that tobacco's nice.
Mm-hmm.
Tobacco, Kevin.
This is a very nice tobacco, Kevin. I'm enjoying this.
Kevin, this makes for a good weekend.
Thank you.
And it was something I wanted to share with the boy, too, especially since he's part of this. Thank you very much, Kevin. I really appreciate that. And it's amazing to receive something like that from a viewer.
It is a very nice piece.
It is very nice. The craftsmanship is amazing, Kevin.
Send me one, too.
It is kind of amazing just being a chump. Just, put stuff up on YouTube and
people respond to it. People love it. It's great.
So thank you very much, Kevin, and thank you everybody for your comments. As always, keep an eye out for this. Damn it, man! Keep an eye out. This Friday is a pretty good project. It's not the same piece. Well, I will see you on Friday, and then we will see you next Wednesday. We'll catch you next time, eh? I can't even
see you later.
I can't even do the Canadian accent anymore.